How a bunker buster bomb works. Ever wonder what it takes to destroy a bunker buried deep underground? It's not about just blowing up the surface. It's about breaking through layers of concrete, steel, and earth to get to the heart of the target. That's where the bunker buster comes in. When you think of bombs, you probably picture an explosion on impact, right? Well, bunker buster bombs don't just explode on impact. They dig deep into the target before they unleash their devastating power. Welcome to my channel Science Facts. In this video, we'll take you through the process of how a bunker buster bomb works, from its design and delivery to the final explosion inside an impenetrable structure. Stick around, because what you're about to learn will change the way you think about military weaponry. Understanding the bunker buster bomb. Let's start with the basics. A bunker buster bomb is no ordinary weapon. It's designed specifically to penetrate fortified targets like bunkers, underground facilities, and military command center structures that are built to withstand conventional bombs. These targets are often reinforced with thick concrete, steel, or earth. Bunker busters are the answer to cracking them open. They are engineered with precision, power, and a whole lot of science behind their design. Let's dive into how these bombs are built. The design and construction. Every part of a bunker buster bomb is made to ensure it can do one thing: penetrate deeply into tough, reinforced targets. Here's how it's done. Tough exterior. The casing of a bunker buster is built from some of the toughest materials, like steel or tungsten. These materials are known for their strength and ability to withstand massive forces. Think of them like the outer shell of a wrecking ball. They redesign to survive the intense pressure as the bomb falls towards its target at high speeds. Shape. The bomb has a pointed or conical nose. This is key because it allows the bomb to focus the explosive force in one spot, cutting through concrete or steel. The shape also helps the bomb stay on track during its descent, ensuring it doesn't veer off course. Penetrator rod. Inside the bomb is a high-density penetrator rod. This rod is usually made of materials like steel or tungsten, which are extremely dense. It's the part of the bomb that actually burrows into the target structure before detonation. Its high density ensures it can smash through thick layers of reinforced concrete, steel, or earth. The delivery mechanism now. A bomb is no good if it can't reach its target, right? Here's where the delivery mechanism comes into play. These bombs don't just fall from the sky. They're dropped with precision and care. Aircraft. Bunker busters are typically delivered by bombers or fighter jets, like the B-2 Spirit, B-52 Stratofortress, or F-15E Strike Eagle. These planes can release the bomb from high altitudes, ensuring it has a wide range of targets it can strike. Guidance systems. What makes bunker busters even more effective is their ability to hit exactly where they're supposed to. Thanks to advanced guidance systems like GPS or laser targeting, these bombs can be incredibly accurate. This means they don't just hit anywhere. They hit the exact spot needed to cause the most damage. So, now we know how these bombs are built and how they're delivered. But what happens when they hit the target? That's where the magic really happens. The penetration process. When a bunker buster bomb is released from the aircraft, it doesn't just plummet to the ground and explode. No, this bomb is made to go deep. The penetration process is what makes bunker busters so unique. Speed and force. As the bomb falls, it picks up speed. This high speed increases the bomb's kinetic energy, which helps it deliver a huge amount of force when it hits. Impact. When the bomb hits the target, the pointed nose leads the way, slicing through the earth, concrete, or steel. This shape helps the bomb stay on course, ensuring that the penetrator rod continues its journey deeper into the target. The penetrator rod. The rod is designed to smash through layers of concrete or steel. The key here is that the material of the rod is dense enough to keep going, even when faced with thick, reinforced layers. It doesn't bend or break under pressure. It keeps pushing through, ensuring the bomb gets as deep as possible. This penetration process is what sets bunker busters apart from regular bombs. They don't just hit the surface, they go deep into the target, setting up for the big detonation. Detonation. The Big Bang. Once the bunker buster has burrowed deep enough into the target, it's time for the bomb to do what it was designed to do: explode. But not just any explosion, a highly contained, massive explosion that maximizes damage. Delayed fuse. Unlike regular bombs that explode immediately on impact, bunker busters are equipped with a delayed fuse or a pressure sensor. This ensures that the bomb doesn't go off prematurely. Instead, it waits until it's deep within the target before triggering the explosion. Explosion inside. When the bomb finally detonates, the explosion is confined within the structure. This has a few key effects. First, it causes massive destruction, crushing everything in its path. Second, the confined space magnifies the blast, creating an intense shockwave that can collapse walls, ignite fires, and destroy everything inside. If the target is a bunker or an underground facility, this can be catastrophic. The effects. What happens after the explosion? Now that the bomb has detonated, what's left in its wake? The effects of a bunker buster are designed to neutralize some of the toughest military targets out there. Structural damage. The main goal of a bunker buster is to destroy hardened targets like bunkers, underground tunnels, and military facilities. This could mean taking out a command center, destroying weapons storage, or killing enemy personnel hiding deep underground. The bomb's explosion wreaks havoc on everything inside, making it nearly impossible for the target to continue functioning. Surprise factor. Bunker busters are particularly effective at taking out hidden or underground facilities that are hard to detect. These bombs give military forces an edge in situations where their adversaries have invested heavily in underground defense systems, like nuclear bunkers or missile silos. The ability to surprise the enemy by hitting these hard-to-reach targets is a major advantage in modern warfare. Types of bunker busters. There are several different types of bunker buster bombs, each with its own features and capabilities. Some of the most well-known include GBU-28. The GBU-28 is one of the most famous bunker busters, primarily used in the Gulf War. It's a laser-guided bomb with a 5,000-pound payload, designed specifically for penetrating hardened targets like bunkers. It's one of the most powerful bombs in the U.S. arsenal. BLU-109. The BLU-109 is another popular bunker buster used by the U.S. military. Can penetrate up to 12 feet of reinforced concrete, and its delayed fusing mechanism ensures maximum damage once it's deep inside a target. MOEB. While not technically a bunker buster, the MOEB is a massive bomb designed for destroying large areas of enemy infrastructure. It can be used to destroy fortified targets in some scenarios. The key advantages of bunker busters. So, why are bunker busters so valuable in military operations? Let's take a look at their key advantages. Deep penetration. Bunker busters are engineered to dig deep into the earth or concrete, causing massive internal damage to enemy infrastructure. They are specifically designed to penetrate thick, reinforced structures that other bombs can't touch. Precision. Thanks to modern guidance systems like GPS and laser targeting, bunker busters are highly accurate. This ensures minimal collateral damage and maximum effect on the target. Effective against hardened targets. Unlike typical bombs that might only cause surface-level destruction, bunker busters are specifically built to neutralize heavily fortified structures, making them a crucial tool in warfare. Limitations of bunker busters. No weapon is perfect, and bunker busters have a few limitations. Limited use. Bunker busters are most effective against hardened, fortified targets. They aren't useful in open air or lightly fortified areas, so they're reserved for specific scenarios. Cost and size. Bunker busters are large and expensive, limiting the number that can be deployed in a single mission. They are typically used for high-priority targets, so they're not something you'll see in every military operation. The power of precision. In the world of modern warfare, bunker busters are a game changer. These bombs are designed to break through the toughest defenses, penetrating deep into enemy infrastructure and causing catastrophic damage. With their advanced design, precision targeting, and ability to neutralize even the most fortified targets, bunker busters are a critical tool in any military operation that involves underground or hardened targets. But as powerful as they are, they're not without their limitations. They're expensive, limited in use, and reserved for specific missions. Still, when the mission calls for it, there's nothing quite like a bunker buster to get the job done. Want to learn more about the latest military technology? Don't miss our next video. Subscribe now, hit the bell icon, and never miss an exciting new video. Let's explore the world of science together.